Now to the weather picture. Lonnie, Quinn is here, and it's still cold, and it's going to be cold.
It's going to be cold
not going to stop
tomorrow.
being cold for a minute.
For a couple more days. A couple more days. Get to the weekend, and you'll notice the warm-up out there. And I've got some information to share with you about the weekend as well. Even though it's going to be milder, it may not be the greatest of weekends. Looking outside currently, you have a temperature reading of 21. We talked about how that sky is mostly clear overhead, but now you factor in a 17-mile-per-hour wind gust here and there, and 21 can feel as cold as 8 degrees right now. So what do you expect as we look ahead? It's going to be another cold and another breezy day tomorrow. A snow shower chances possible on Friday night. Not a big accumulator, maybe a little coating for some folks out there. Very slight in terms of the accumulations out there for Friday night. And then you get that weekend warm-up I'm talking about. Could be 50 degrees on Sunday. Sunday's the warmer of your 2 weekend days, but right now just not looking like a nice Sunday. We've got some issues with it. I'll show you those as well. High temp tomorrow gets up to 32. Still breezy out there, so that 32 feels like you never get out of the 20s for your day tomorrow because you could still have some wind gusts at 20 miles per hour, maybe a little bit stronger as well. All right. Couple of snowflakes, upper level flakes have pushed through the area, but they're really just flurries. Bigger picture is going to show you. Now they're streaming in, really, believe it or not, from the Great Lakes. And this setup here, as long as you have that northwest wind, not going to change for your day tomorrow. Slight little chance for a snow flurry here or there. Better bet could be on Friday. Look at your precipitation chances. Tomorrow, okay, a 10% chance for a flake. Friday late. A 30% risk for maybe even a little tiny accumulation out there. That's Friday night. Saturday, no problems. Sunday, it's a 90% chance for precipitation. I think it could start off maybe with some frozen precip, and then it turns to rain as temperatures go way up. And Monday, you have a 0% chance. Futurecast looks like this, all right? We focus on what's out west. So let's follow this and see it make its way into our direction and kind of break itself off into two different pieces. The first piece is going to get to us late Friday. Not a big weather maker, but cold enough air that you've got snow coming in here at 7:30. Very short-lived. By 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, it's basically out of here. Very small, minor accumulations. Then we watch the bigger piece of that system move into the area. This is Sunday at 8:30. Yeah, you've got some snow out there. The pink shows you that wintry mix right basically on top of the metro areas, and then rain south of that. Well, remember, that precipitation is associated with this cold front. Cold front's way back here, all right? So until that passes, you will continue to have the temperatures go up and up and up, and watch this all going to turn to rain for the majority of us. Maybe well north and west, you could have some of the higher peaks with all snow, but otherwise, it does not look to be a big snow event. This looks to be a big rain event on Monday. We're going to watch the temperatures very closely. I mean, Sunday's high temp will be 50 degrees, and also Sunday, you'll be waking up with less sleep because you spring forward with your clock on Saturday night. So you have the sun setting, 6:57, I believe, on Sunday, almost 7 o'clock on Sunday evening. But, again, a couple of really cold days out there tomorrow. You barely make your way up to the freezing mark. Maybe you find a 32 or 33 out there. 37 Friday. You'll notice a difference temperature-wise by the time you get to Saturday.
We will. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Lonnie.